Hey everyone, welcome back. If your Westpac balance is not updating in the app, this is usually a sync or a connection issue. First, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for your app, and swipe it completely to completely close it. After you close it completely, then wait for a few seconds and reopen it. This forces the app to refresh your account data. Next, check your internet connection and switch between Wi Fi and mobile data to see if the balance updates. Then, log out of the Westpac app and log back in to refresh your session. If the balance still does not update, wait a short time and check again as balance systems sometimes update with a delay, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.